The grace of the Lord Jesus Christ be with your spirit. We're going to continue on with Feedly and some things you can do to little customizing it for yourself, so you can see the data you want to see in the format that you'd like to see it. First off, I'd like to start with possibly doing some of the setups. One of the things that I like to do right away is switch it over to the dark theme. So let's do that on the two different devices. And it's a night mode over here. So you get a darker background. There are some settings for text and size and how comfortable or cozy the density of the display is, but you can play around with those settings. Now, Feedly only provides you with 100 resources or places in which you can pull in data, and I believe we're pretty much at the I think of 96 resources that I've put into this OPML file, which is just a collection. So you have room for about 4 more, and then you'll either need to upgrade or just start removing things that are not of interest to you. So we got the dark mode going there. Now one of the things is you can click on today, and that just kind of gives you like today's news. And then you can also look in certain categories. So if we just click on our apologetics that we have here, we'll just get the apologetics, blogs, news, podcasts, and so on. So, and you can also then just grab them and move them around. Maybe apologetics is not something you want it near the top of your list, so you do that. And that's pretty much how you can, move items around on the screen, and how to kind of change the format and layout. You'll notice 3 buttons over here. You can do like the popular, then the latest, or just the latest. If you want to see stories that maybe you have already read, you just click that and it'll populate all stories within a certain time frame. But if you already read them and you just want to hide them, so like if we went on this one, we already looked at it, and we come back to our screen, you'll see it's kind of grayed out, unread. If we just do that, then you'll see it's gone. And our next session, we'll cover some adding new resources and viewing some of the resources that are already added into the application to the OPML file that was provided. Thank you, and God's blessings.